Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a way how you can get more followers on OnlyFans. But this really depends what kind of content you want to make. Like if you want to make content like, I don't know, as like which is going to show a lot of part of your body, you can easily get more followers on Instagram. So you just post a lot of on Instagram stuff, really good photos, and then what I would do, I would use Reddit. You know, I would use Reddit. If you go just right here to Google and do that, and like list of subreddits, find them, post photos there on Reddit, and post the link to your OnlyFans account. And this is what you can do, right? And then like use Twitter and everything. And these are the two ways what you can do and how you can get more followers. So that's what I would do. And Instagram and also YouTube, that's good too. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.